Hi Usman, just wanted to make you a quick video here on the 2018 LC 500 Performance that we've been going back and forth on here. So nice sitting in our showroom here. Really good condition, low K. No dents or scrapes on the side here. Really nice. Got the spoiler raised up there. The carpet fiber roof up here. There's barely a mark on this thing. Triple beam headlights there. Lexus spindle grille here. There's going to be a few little minor rock chips. I don't know if those will show up. You can kind of see them right there. A few right there as well. But other than that, just pristine. See inside here. So there's a chrono downward to 37, 138. Just phenomenal. Anyways, just want to send you a quick walk around. I know you're in Vancouver, so just wanted to show you that there. So let me know if you have any questions, and happy to help. Thanks, Usman. Take care.